Hey, what's up guys? So these are my new big brake kits, or the cheap big brake kits. These are from my Ls400. Just gonna put these on my Is300. I have the rotors too, but it's in the trunk. This is in my room right now because I'm prepping it. So yeah, it's already been painted. The guy who I bought it from already painted. I mean, it's good to go. I can just put it on, but I want to paint it blue. So I got me some blue paint. It's anodized blue, doopy color. Then I got my clear coat, high heat. Got some sandpaper ready, some masking tape, some brush to clean it off. And yeah, so what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna clean it up, prep it for sanding. Then after that, I'm gonna start painting on it. Alright guys, so I just finished sanding it and masking it off. You can see. And yeah, I'm about to get ready to paint it. I did some, what are those prep wipes that I bought. Then they dry out right now. Then I'm gonna start painting. Third coat. Alright guys, so I put the third coat on. I've been letting it sit for like an hour already. I'm gonna let it sit for another hour or two. So I'm gonna wash my car. It is looking pretty good. After like another hour or two, I'm gonna flip it to the other side. Then I'm gonna finish painting the other side. So far it's looking good. I'm gonna probably let it dry overnight. Then I'm gonna clear coat it tomorrow or later tonight if I have time. Alright, so I've been sitting about, it's been drying for like 2 hours. I'm about to flip it over and start doing the other side. Alright guys, so it's been like 24 hours. Just now it's dried. So looking pretty good. So it's looking pretty good. Kinda wish I would have primed it first, because I guess the paint is kind of like transparent. So I'm gonna throw it on, see how it looks like on the car. If I don't like it, I might repaint it, put some primer, so it'll be like one solid color. Then paint it again blue. Because right now you can see like there's like black spots. Let's see if it focus it. Like black spots. I mean, you can barely see it, but if you look up close, you can see it. But it is looking pretty good. Yeah, so right now I'm gonna put the Lexus decal, then I'm gonna clear coat it. What's up guys, so it's like the third day of painting this. It's already been just finished clear coating. It's been like 24 hours drying. It looked pretty good, pretty much done. Just gotta install it on the car. But it's freaking clean. I did messed up on some part where I didn't let the clear coat dry, so it's like right here, which freaking sucks. Get better angle. Like, let's see if it focus that. Like right here, I didn't let it dry, the clear coat dry, so it got stuck on the cardboard. But other than that, like some other spots right here too, same location right here. Other than that, it's pretty good and clean. So stay tuned for the install video.